The next step of the fin making process is for you people who like to get messy. We're going to use some glue, just regular Elmer's glue that can be found in your blue bin at your table. You need at least 6 clothespins. They can be found in the red set of drawers at the front of the room. And then you need your fins. And we're going to pair our fins up this time, and we're going to glue the 2 halves together to make 1 fin in total. Once we glue them together, we're going to use the clothespins to hold the fins together while they dry. Let's get started. I'm going to take 1 fin, both halves. I'm going to place some Elmer's glue on the 1 half. I kind of like to trace it. It's important not to overdo it at this point. What I like to do then is take my finger and spread it out, making sure it gets to every part of the fin. Now I'm going to match the other side up. Get it real nice and close. This will be less that I have to trim off later and sand later so that they match. You can see I have a gap here. That's why we use the clothespins to help hold everything together. I definitely want a clothespin here in that location. And 1 probably at the opposite end. Kind of squeeze it, make sure you get any of the extra glue out. If you get any extra glue, just go ahead and wipe it on the edges. It's going to really strengthen the fin and help it to hold together even better. We're going to go ahead and repeat this process for our other 2 fins. Don't use too much glue. Spread it around. Match the other side. Pin them together. Squeeze out the extra glue. Wipe it on the edges. And wait for it to dry.